Hey there shoppers, it's Amy and I've got a really fun product for you today. It is not this bike, it's actually this little guy right back here. This is a conversion kit. It's the LIVALL PikaBoost 2 and it is going to change my regular old school bike into an e-bike. And the best part about it is I can do this all in under 60 seconds. It is super fast, super easy, and it's also really, really safe, and I cannot wait to tell you all about it. Of course, as always in this video, I'm going to leave the links for the PikaBoost 2 in the description. They are shipping globally right now, so you can go ahead and pick yours up. But let's get into it. So, super fast, really, really easy to convert your bike, really, really easy installation, and also easy to pop on and off if you just want to take this off, have your regular bike, boom, 60 seconds. Put it back on really fast, under 60 seconds. If you want to switch this out for another bike in your household, you want to share this with the kids, with your partner. If I want to say, put this on Adam's bike, I can take this off my bike, put it on Adam's, and switch it around. So really, really fantastic. It is a really convenient and also very affordable option, and a great way to add an e-bike into the mix without taking up extra room, extra space, and all of that good stuff. So this also has near universal compatibility between bikes. Of course, again, check out those links for all of the exact specifics, but one great thing about this is that this works for a wide range and varieties of bicycle styles. So this is more than likely going to work for the bike that you already have, which is great news. Really, really easy to install. There is an app. It all hooks up really, really conveniently. And on top of that, you have 4 different riding modes. I've been super excited about that because I can, of course, put this into standby mode. And that just means that it's just there, it's chilling. I'm riding my bike, I'm getting my exercise, I'm doing whatever as normal. But when I'm ready for it, I can turn it on in the app and get that extra boost, if you will. And that can work in 2 different ways. One is your cruise mode, which is pretty cool. All you have to do is pedal up to about 5 kilometers an hour, and then this takes over. And you don't even have to pedal at all. From that, you're cruising, you're chilling, you're not even moving your feet at all. So if that's for like a commute or just to save some energy, you're tired, whatever it might be, that is a really great option. Of course, it has assist mode as well. So that's where it's assisting you as you pedal. So you are pedaling, but it's also helping you. So it's just making your ride a little easier, so say you're tired, you're going a lot of miles, you maybe are going uphill, something like that. You do have that nice assist that makes your ride that much easier, but you're still pedaling. The 4th and final mode is one that I think is absolutely genius, and this is something that you can't get, or at least I've never seen, with a regular e-bike, and that is that the PikaBoost has a workout mode. And what this does is it actually adds resistance to your ride. So kind of the same thing as your resistance bike in a gym, that you can really crank it up, load it up, and have that really good burn in your thighs. This will kind of do the same thing. It'll be like riding through mud or quicksand or up a really big hill, even if you're not. Even if you're just on a regular road, it can feel like that and give you an extra workout. This is really incredible because it's super easy to switch, whether through the switch itself or in the app. Very, very easy. The battery itself is absolutely incredible, and there's a couple different ways you can charge it, so it's very convenient. You can either, of course, plug it right in on the back of here while it's still on your bike, or you can pop the battery out, take it inside or into the office or wherever it might be, and charge it up conveniently there. Also, cool side note, this does work as a battery power bank. So you can use this as a battery backup. So say you're camping, you're in the woods, you're hiking, whatever it might be, you're out for a long day. If you do need to like charge up your headphones or charge up your phone, you can use the battery here as a backup. This has a long range, so you're able to go many, many miles on a single charge. Even with the assist mode, and of course you're able to go pretty fast. So this is going to make your commute a breeze. It's also going to give you a lot of flexibility, whether you're trying to work out, whether you're trying to just normal bike, or whether you need a little assist, or you just want to cruise down the street and have this do all of the work for you. You've got tons of options. This is so easy, so fast, again, to switch in and out, and it works on a variety of bicycles really, really quickly. I think this is a genius product. It's a great way to maybe dip your toes into e-biking, see if you like it, see if that's something that you want to do. And it's also a great way if you love your normal bike and you don't want to switch into a completely new bike, but you just want to, you know, give it a little love and maybe like punch up a little bit to where you have more options. This is a great way to do that. I'm going to leave all of those links and everything in the description below for you, of course, so you can go ahead and check this out, pick up the exact battery size and everything that works for you. I'm so happy with this. I think that you guys will be as well. Go ahead, you guys. Get to shopping. Adios, amigos.